Several types of entry visas allow people to spend time in the United States temporarily. Even immigrants who intend to stay here permanently as lawful residents will need an entry visa. The process for obtaining a U.S. visa depends on the type of visa being sought. For some temporary visas, particularly for travelers, the process might be as simple as completing a form and attending an interview. You should still apply early, however, as it takes weeks or months to finalize the application and approval process. For student visas, you must be admitted to a U.S. school before the visa application process can begin. To acquire a work visa, you will in most cases need a U.S. employer to sponsor you and begin the application process. Most temporary visa applications require proof you can support yourself during your visit and that you are likely to return home afterward. You might also need to have a passport that won't expire until at least 6 months after you plan to leave the United States. For a so-called immigrant visa, which allows you to become a U.S. resident with a green card, the process is typically much more complicated and usually requires a U.S. sponsor. Most people need to apply for their U.S. visa from their home country, though a few can change status if they're already legally in the United States. If you are currently overseas, you will need to find a U.S. embassy or consulate that is authorized to issue the type of visa you want. You can contact the U.S. consulate or an immigration attorney to learn more,